Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Baike, and today I'm going to talk about several commonly used Excel file formats. The large majority of Excel workbooks uses XLSX file types these days, but there are various other file extensions available, such as XLS, XLSM. What are the differences of these file types? Which one should you use? Okay, the first one, XLS. The default file format is XLS before Excel 2007, but XLS is outdated. It can use all new Excel functions. Also, with an XLS file, you don't know whether it contains macros that is automated program written by an end user, but also a program may cause malfunctions. Secondly, XLSX. Since Excel 2007, the default file format is XLSX. It uses the OpenXML standard, which is a computer language that compresses automatically the data and is generally accessible with other applications. So it compressed with XLS. It can reduce the size of your Excel files. Please note here, I used the same data in these two workbooks. The file size of XLS is much larger than the XLSX. Moreover, XLSX can be opened in other spreadsheet apps, such as Apple Numbers, Google Documents, and then in an XLSX workbook, the limits are 1 million. The limits are 1,048,576 rows and 16,384 columns. In addition, the XLSX spreadsheet documents cannot store Visual Basic for applications macros. Besides this, it can use and save all of Excel functions. Thirdly, XLSM. If your workbook includes macro codes and you are using Excel 2007 and later, it is recommended to save and the file in this format, otherwise the workbook cannot be saved. And like XLSX, it also uses the OpenXML standard. For this reason, many of its features are similar to XLSX. That's all. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful to you. Please let me know what you thought about this video in the comments. Bye.